just Ayala being Ayala. For today's mini vlog, it's raining kasi maraming bagyo. Pupunta tayong Mendez for gown fitting. Ganun ba ang tawag? Basta magsusukat ng mga pangkasal kineme. Kasi ikakasal ang aking pinsan. And yeah, let's go. Pati ng ilong ko. So, yan na nga, nagsukat na sila. Actually, hindi ako nagpasukat kasi I'm not sure if I can attend the wedding. Pero ayun, sumama na rin ako like to just see how it looks. And then after that, dahil ang lakas ng ulan, we decided to stop by sa Dunkin. Magkape lang at magkwentuhan habang nagpapatila. So ayun, right now, I'm with my cousin and her boyfriend's family. At yeah, ang saya naman nila kasama so far. We ordered some hot chocolate and donuts and we enjoyed the rest of the day. Nagkwentuhan lang kami and ang saya kasi parang wala, family na talaga sila. Kaya ayun, thank you so much guys for watching. Sorry kasi medyo ngongo yung boses ko. I'm really not feeling well at the moment. Sobrang clog yung nose ko and I don't know. But ayun, after this hangout time, we went home and cooked some sopas. Nakakatuwa tong sopas na to kasi kulang-kulang yung ingredients. Kasi kung ano lang available. Pero sobrang sarap. Na-enjoy namin. Yan lang! Wait for the next one! Thanks so much for watching! Alright, bye!